Hi everyone and welcome back to another trading day. I'm Johan Milan and today, Tuesday, 14 November 2023, I have 11 potential trade setups to discuss where we'll try to get long on the euro, the pound and the dollar and short on the CAD, Aussie and the yen. My first pick of the day is a potential long on the CAD yen. But before we proceed, remember that trading carries risk and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. At the end of the video, I will show you my favorite trade idea for today. So let's get started and turn pips and points into profits. The CAD yen, a nice break yesterday, busy retesting this market structure here. You can see a flat top triangle tested once, twice, rising bottoms, now the break. Yes, the yen, the Bank of Japan or something interfered yesterday there. Big spikes there hitting some of my stop losses, but not the end of the world. But this one is retesting now with a CAD there, the yen still very weak, and that's one of the ones I want to be short in. Testing now, looking for reversal on either the 1 hour charts or the 4 hour charts, bouncing off this market structure. Then the euro US, still the falling wedge I showed you yesterday. Euro still much stronger than the dollar, and I mentioned that I want to be long on the euro. On the break, I would like to get long on a retest and a 1 hour or 4 hour candle reversal. Remember, this is a very strong pattern, continuation pattern in the market, falling wedge, finding support right at this market structure here. So the break should be an explosive move up the page, providing that the euro stays much stronger than the dollar. If I see the euro not really outperforming the dollar, I will then refrain from taking this trade. Pound yen yesterday also, I took the long on the 1 hour reversals there. We had the test, very nice back-to-back candle patterns, and then came in the big spike, take out my stop loss and then reversed up the page. I did say on the live streaming that it was a high risk trade, so it wasn't supposed to be a full position size, so not the end of the world. But now I'm waiting for this to retest. I'm still busy with this triangle. We got the break. I'm still interested in the retest of this market structure here, then a reversal. I'll take some longs. Aussie New Zealand now testing the level. I'm trying to short. You can see Aussie New Zealand. Aussie is one of the currencies I want to be shorting today, so I'm trying to find a short setup here, either on the 1 hour charts or on the 4 hour charts. Now I can see the 1 hours are busy reversing, little double top forming. You can see here making a peak, retracing, another peak, retracing. So if I get a decent break below this intermediate low, I'll then look for some shorts. And the pound Swiss, same as yesterday, I'm looking for the pound Swiss. Want the retracement. Doesn't seem like it's going to do it today, maybe later this week, but I'm looking at the pound Swiss. As long as the pound can stay relatively strong on a retest, I'll get interesting longs on either any bullish pattern reversal like a candle pattern or double bottoms or any pattern that you prefer. In the Aussie US, still trying to be short on the Aussie, and I need a retest of this structure. I mentioned this yesterday. I still need the structure to be tested before I will consider any shorts here. Euro Australian, euro much stronger than the Australian dollar. I would love to be long here, but I need the structure to be tested. If it fails to make a new high and then comes back a little bit, we could see a consolidation coming in. Then we can do the breakouts. Other than that, I don't see any breakout trades that I can do. For now, I'll be waiting for the retest of this market structure. US yen, we got this long on the breakout there, hit the first target on those highs, and then the big spike yesterday took us out on the balance of the trade. Very nice profit, well done. I don't see any new things I will do for today, so I will be removing this off my watch list for today, but a very, very nice profit for us on this trade. And the euro yen, still interested in buying at the support structure here. Euro yen, definitely one of my favorites, but I need a retracement or a good solid consolidation before I can go into this. I'm not going to chase this silly up the page, so for now I'm patiently waiting for a retest. Gold, still the same as yesterday. Strong dollar is gold bearish, so I would love to see a test on a level up there. That's the ideal level for me to test. It was a very strong level, but the dollar needs to stay strong. Not something I will do personally. I don't like to short any commodities, but this is for the crazies that want to short gold. That level, definitely one of the levels to watch. In the Swiss yen, we got a very strong structure there. resistance, resistance, the retracement, the break, the retest yesterday also on the yen spike. I'm still interested in this market structure. We still have the Swiss yen. I want to be short yen. So Swiss yen, I'll take a long here after a retest and a nice bounce on the 4 hours or 1 hour charts. Slowly but surely I'm starting to see a consolidation, which I can then trade the breakout. But I will look at this on the live stream to see if I can do the breakout trade. For now, I'm focusing on this support structure. My favorite trade idea for today is a potential long on the Euro CAD. But first, please let me know in the comments below if you want me to make any specific educational videos for you. Also, if you are new to this channel and find this video helpful, you can support the channel by giving this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so I can keep making content like this for you. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell to ensure you don't miss out on any of my trade ideas. Back to my favorite setup, the Euro CAD. Very nice triangle forming, falling tops, rising bottoms. We're busy with a break. Euro is a currency I want to be long in, and the CAD is something I want to be short in. So I'm waiting for the break, a decent break, like a close on the 4 hour charts, then the retest, and then some form of reversal. On the 1 hours or 4 hours, candle patterns is usually my favorite. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. I want to hear from you. Drop your questions, share your experiences, or tell me which trading opportunities you're eyeing in the comments below. I've been trading since 2003. And if you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the links in the description to join my mentorship program and support this channel by opening a trading account with a trusted broker, which I've been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Don't forget to trade responsibly, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Until then, trade well.